examples of parts of a speech, and this side we have examples of figures of a speech. For example, she is a girl. It's an example of parts of a speech. Why? Because the meaning is straight, clear, and it helps us in the construction of a grammatically correct sentence. There is no hidden meaning. But if you look at this, she is as beautiful as the moon. Here the meaning is implied. Meaning is hidden. It carries more weight, gives you another shade of meaning, like what that she, the girl, is compared to the beauty of the moon. Go to the next example. He's a man. It's a very straightforward sentence, direct sentence. There's nothing hidden in it. But this man is compared in this sentence like he is a lion. So this he is compared with the bravery of lion, with the strength of lion, or with the power of lion, in whatever way you can interpret this, metaphor. We have some more examples. The door is big. This is an example of parts of speech. But on the other hand, opportunity seldom knocks the door. Here opportunity implies, your luck, your destiny, your favor. And if, your luck favors you, that then your success is at your doorstep. So opportunity seldom knocks the door. Likewise, we have camel is an animal. It's a straightforward sentence. But here camel is the ship of a desert. Implied meaning. Camel is compared with the way ship sails in the water. So here the meaning is implied, hidden, and it gives you more shades of meaning. So figures of a speech are those that give you more scope for you to interpret meanings, while parts of a speech, they just help in the construction of sentences. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.